How to use mentions in Microsoft Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application. So from here, you need to make sure first that the setting for you to use mentions is turned on. So to do that, just go to File, go to Options, go to Mail, and then scroll down until you see the Send Messages section. So from here, this feature right here that says suggest names to mention when I use the @ symbol in a message. So this must be turned on. So if this is turned off, just turn this on and then you need to restart the Outlook application so that you can use it. So once you're done, just click OK, and then from here we can create a new email. So for example, we can create a test email right here. So for example, I'll send it to my other Outlook account, which is this one. And then let's go ahead and add the subject. So from here, let's add subject, test email with mention. And then let's go ahead and add our email content. So for example, I can put like hi and then the name. So I'll just put a sample name right here. So I'll just put John, and then let's put can you pass the progress report today? I need it so that we can give it to, and then to use the mention feature, you just need to type in the @ symbol, then it will show up right here. So for example, I'll send this to my other Outlook account. So let's say this one. And then as you can see, when I go ahead and add a mention, they will be automatically added in the to field. And then from here, we can continue the message. So for example, I'll say for proofreading and then thanks. So what happens is that when you use the mention, the user that you mentioned right here will be added into the content of your email, and they have a link right here. And then you can click on the link, and then what will happen is that it will just open their contact details right here. And then you can also do that for like the recipient of your email. So for example, instead of just having their name right here just typed in, you can just delete that, and then we can use the @ symbol and then add their name right here, which is this one, how to explain videooutlook.com. And then this will depend if their name is shared publicly or privately. So that's why when I go ahead and mention this user, it just mentions them using the email. So this because their name is in private. But if their name is set to public, you will just have their name right here. Like for example, this mention right here. So we have their first name and last name added right here. But since this is my other account, I just put how to as the first name and then explainer as the last name. So from here, you can go ahead and click send. So we can send the email, and then they will now be mentioned in that email. So you can see it right here in sent items, and then with this one, the test email with mention, and then they will now receive the email with the mentions inside of it. So for example, I can open my other Outlook account right here, which is this one, and then as you can see, they will have this @ symbol right here. And then what that means is that they are mentioned inside of the email. And then you can also filter your emails to see mentions by just clicking on this one, and then click on mention mail. Then you will see mentioned emails right here. So I think there is a problem right now, so that's why it doesn't open it right here. But you should be able to see all of your mentioned mail right here. So I just need to restart Outlook for this to work. But that is it. So that is how you can use mentions right here in Outlook. If you are using the new version of Outlook, you can also just use mentions the same way. So this is the classic version of Outlook that I have shown you earlier. And what happens in the classic version of Outlook, there is a way to enable and disable mentions. So what I have shown you right here in the options. So you can turn this on or off. In the new version of Outlook, so the mentions feature is automatically turned on. So from here, you can just go ahead, create a new email. Then you can add the mention right here. So now you can see when I type in the @ symbol, I can just go ahead and mention other people right here, and then it basically works the same thing. They'll be added to the to field, and then they will be mentioned in the email. So we can also see our mentioned email right here in the send items. So you can see the mentions right here. And then that is it. So that is how we can use the mentions feature in Microsoft Outlook. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.